Well, look, let's try that again. I didn't want to sure if it was rolling or not, but hello out there, all you viewers to be named later. How we doing today? I know we're back for another unbagging. These are becoming kind of regular. I just like doing them all of a sudden. I don't know why. I just do. But as you know by that thumbnail and everything else you clicked on to get here, Peak Refuel is back on the channel with their sweet pork and rice. Will it be better than the last go-round I had with this company? Some people were very, very interesting in sending me messages telling me how they felt about my last review on them, so let's give them another chance. Okay, now they're really, really easy to do. There's your instructions. Basically, tear the bag open, dump in boiling water, close the bag, let it sit for a while, stir it up, you got yourself a meal. What do we got here? They are out of American Fork, Utah. I like the fact that there are, 40 grams of protein per pouch. It says 2 servings, but let's get honest. This is just like a one-person meal, all right? Now, for everyone who loves to see the nutritional stuff, there you go. Take a freeze frame, peruse it at your leisure. I'm a little bit nervous on this one. I won't lie. Didn't have a great experience last time. Let's see if it's better. Okay, now we're going to open it up and let you take a look on the inside. If none of you have ever seen these before, they are pretty much standard. Okay. Always, please remember to take out the little silica pouch. Don't eat it, okay? I don't care what any other idiot on Reddit says. It is not tasty goodness salt pack in there. No, don't do it. Or go ahead and do it and win a Darwin Award for all I care. But there you go. There's the inside of the bag. Everything's freeze dried down. Makes it lightweight. Makes it easy to put your your backpack. I don't care. Eat your breakfast. It's a Monday. We have school. And before we go too much further down the rabbit hole, currently on Amazon as of Monday, September 19th, 2022. This is $13.99. It is Prime eligible. All right, so I'm not going to bore you guys and make you wait in the kitchen while the water boils and, things get cooking in the bag. No. I'm going to go take care of that. I'll come back when it's in the bowl, and we're going to have a taste test. So stay tuned. All right, guys, we're back. It is done, and yeah, it's not... Okay, it's got some steam coming up, but not as much as the other one did. But look at that. Man, I gotta tell you honestly, that looks really, really good. I did fail to mention that it does have a quote-unquote brown sugar glaze before. It smelled amazing when I opened the packet. I was like, yeah, I'm hungry right now. It almost didn't make it to the second part of this video. But still, I know. Let's get to the taste testing. Now, like usual, we do 3 bites. So, that's a big part of the pork, so let's see if that reconstituted well. Seriously, it smells really good. Okay. I'm surprised. The pork, God, that's good. The pork reconstituted beautifully. I thought it was going to get a little crunchy there, but nope, it fooled me. All right, so let's go back in for more. I think Peak may have redeemed itself. I really, truly do. Yeah, this is good. This is good. The rice is done great. The vegetables in there, which I just see corn and like some peppers and some black beans, really reconstituted good. The pork is just wow. So like I said, we always do 3. Okay. It's good. Peak really, really redeemed itself to me. It really, truly did. I could see myself buying multiples of these to put inside my my get home bag or my bug out bag, or just having around when drunk Chris really doesn't want to operate a stove and burn down his house. I can boil some water. But okay, now we're gonna put that aside to the little mystery table down here. Wow, that is good, man. Sorry, I just want to get back in and finish that bowl. But still, we're at the part of the video I love the most. Seriously, I really truly do love this part in every one of my videos. I want to know your, wait for it, questions, comments, love, hatred, anger, all that fun stuff right down below. Have you tried this one from Peak Refuel? Have you had successes with it? Have you had failures with it? Instantly, it is so much better than that biscuits and gravy one I had from them. Everything just seems perfect in the bowl. I don't know if I did something wrong the last time, but still, I may have to buy another one of those bags and bring it back for a redo and a retest. Not sure. But like I said, I want to know your thoughts on Peak. Now, if it made you laugh, made you cringe, made you cry, made you do any of that during this video, please hit that big old thumbs up. It's only going to show love and support for the channel, and that is always appreciated. But guys, there we go. My unbagging and taste testing of Peak Refuel's sweet pork and rice. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope all of you are having a great day, a safe day, and we'll see all of you in our very next video.